Mastering Time Management in C2 Proficiency Speaking Exam. Hello, language learners. Today, we'll be diving into a crucial skill for success in the C2 Proficiency Speaking Exam, also known as the CPE. And that is time management and pacing. A skill that, if mastered, can truly elevate your performance. Let's get started. Before we jump into tips and strategies, it's essential to know the structure of the speaking test. 1. Part 1. An interview where you answer questions about yourself. 2. Part 2. You'll be given a task where you and your partner will need to discuss and make decisions. 3. Part 3. A long turn where you speak alone for about 2 minutes based on a prompt. 4. Part 4. A discussion with your partner on topics related to Part 3. With this structure in mind, let's discuss how to manage your time effectively for each part. Part 1. The interview. While it's more of a conversation, ensure you give full answers. However, don't overextend. The goal is to provide a clear, concise response that showcases your language ability. Part 2. Collaborative task. This section is about collaboration. Balance your speaking time with listening. Be active but don't dominate. Allow your partner to share their thoughts too. Part 3. The long turn. This is your chance to shine individually. Start with a brief introduction, dive into the main points, and end with a conclusion. Keep an eye on the clock or be mindful of the time to avoid rushing in the end. Part 4. Discussion. Like Part 2, it's about balance. Engage with your partner, build on their points, and introduce new ones when necessary. 1. Practice with a timer. Before the test, simulate the exam conditions. Use a timer to get a feel for how long each part is. 2. Plan, but don't overplan. Spend a few seconds planning what you'll say, especially in Part 3. But don't get so caught up in planning that you run out of time to speak. 3. Stay calm and paced. It's easy to speak too quickly when nervous. Take deep breaths, stay calm, and maintain a steady pace. 4. Engage actively. In collaborative tasks, if you find yourself silent for too long, jump in. Likewise, if you're speaking too much, give your partner a chance. There you have it, aspiring language experts. Time management and pacing are just as crucial as vocabulary and grammar in the C2 Proficiency Speaking Exam. Practice, stay aware of the clock, and engage actively, and you'll be well on your way to acing the test. Best of luck, and happy studying!